The right to work, job center services for assessing employment. What is a job center? A job center is a free public service accessible to everyone and designed for people who are looking for work. How can the job center help me? The job center can help in 3 ways. By offering careers, guidance, activities, by helping you get into work, in other words, by helping you find a job, by supporting your professional requalification, allowing you to enhance your skills through training. What kind of careers, guidance can the job center give me? The job center helps you by offering guidance activities aimed at getting to know yourself, your skills, and professional goals better, so you can choose the job most suited to you, and that will enable you to fulfill your true potential based on what you know and what you want to do. Learning more about the area you live in to seize all the most interesting job opportunities for you. Giving you the tools to showcase yourself better through group workshops where you can learn, for example, how to write your CV, actively look for work, and prepare for an interview. And how can it help me find a job? The Job Center is one of the agencies legally authorized to provide an intermediary service by matching labor demand with supply. Companies also turn to the Job Center to find new staff. If your profile matches their needs, we can recommend you directly for an interview. And that's not all. Job centers also give you the chance to take part in Incontra Lavoro recruiting events, where candidates and employers meet face-to-face. These events may involve a single company or several firms belonging to the same industry, such as logistics, catering, and many more, or operating in the same geographical area. At these events, companies outline the work they do and give details of the figures they are looking for, while candidates can attend interviews there and then. And what does training involve? Doing training means updating or enhancing your skills and increasing your employability. As a result, it makes finding a job that little bit easier. The Job Center can suggest theory-based and practical vocational training. The former consists of a series of lessons where you can learn the basics of a trade, while the latter allows you to put yourself to the test directly in a company through an internship, allowing you to learn the ropes of a profession while working on the field. How can I access these services? You can access the Job Center by calling 049 74 48 041 to book an interview at your nearest facility. You can check which this is by consulting the list at the following link. The interview is held with one of the Job Center's operators, called a case manager, who has administrative, psychological, and careers guidance experience. What documents do I need to bring? The essential documents that you need to bring with you when you come to the Job Center are your identity document. For example, your identity card, driving license, passport, and so on. Your codice fiscale, the Italian tax code, and for non-EU citizens, a valid residence permit issued for a reason that allows you to work. If your residence permit is in the process of being issued, renewed, or converted, you will also need to bring the receipt certifying that you have applied to the relevant police headquarters for issuance, renewal, conversion, or replacement of the document. Asylum seekers are allowed to work after 60 days of submitting their application for international protection, even if they only have an attestato nominativo, which is a personal document certifying that their asylum seeker status is pending. It is essential that all documents are original copies. How is the interview conducted? During the interview, the case manager helps you tell them a bit about yourself, your studies, your experience, skills, and professional aspirations. This allows us to build your professional profile, which is then entered in the job center's database. If you're unemployed, you will be issued with a dichiarazione di immediata disponibilità or statement of immediate availability, which certifies your willingness to take part in the activities arranged by the job center in order to find work. So how can I choose the service best suited for me? With the help of your case manager, together you will choose the most appropriate pathway for your situation. You will then write this in a document called the patto di servizio personalizzato or personalized service agreement, which confirms your commitment to carry out the activities decided together. What should I do when I complete an activity arranged with the job center or a work experience placement? Contact your case manager, who becomes your contact person for everything related to your job search from the moment of your interview. They will update your profile with the new skills you have learned and will help you understand what your next steps are. Any questions? Call us on 049 74 48 041. We look forward to meeting you at the job center.